Good morning, students. I am your maths teacher Ravindra, and this is the third video for the standard 7th mathematics for the chapter number 1. And here I will teach you several properties of multiplication of integers with their proper examples, and then after that we will see the multiplication of integers, which involves two or more integers. That means multiple integers also. Okay, so all of you try to understand from here. Yes, so as you can see here, the chapter name is integers, chapter number 1 for class 7th maths. And first of all, this we have to see the properties of multiplication of integers. Okay, the first property is closure property for multiplication. Here we can understand the product of two integers is always an integer. Okay, as you can see, the example I have given, 7 into 5 equals to 35, and here 7 is also an integer, 5 is also an integer, and their product comes a integer only. Okay, similarly minus 9, here I have given the negative number also, that is minus 9 into 2, so the product is minus 18, and minus 18 is also an integer. Here minus 3 into minus 5 equals to 15. Here minus into minus is positive, plus 15. Okay, the sign multiplication in previous videos I have shown, so that is 15. Now the next property is commutative property. You have to see, so the commutative property of multiplication is, we can understand like this, that for any two integers x and y, we have x into y equals to y into x. Means when we are changing the order, of multiplication, then also the product is same. Okay, here the examples you can see, 3 into 9 equals to 9 into 3 equals to 27. These examples you can see here. Many examples we can see. Suppose that this is the, I am giving you this, such as minus 9 into 2 is equals to 2 into minus 9. So their product is equal or not? Their product will be equal. This is also minus 18, and this is also minus 18. Their product will be equal only, because here one negative number multiplies to the positive number. This is a plus 2 and it is minus 2. So product is minus 18 here. This property is known as commutative property for addition of integers. Okay. Similar other examples you can see here, such as minus 5 into 7 is equals to 7 into minus 5. That is equal to minus 35. Their order it is changing, 7 into minus 5, then also product of both the numbers, both the terms are minus 35 only. Next we will see the associative property for multiplication of integers. Okay, so for any integers a, b and c, we have this property. This property is telling that if we have the numbers in different grouping we are doing with the help of bracket only. Here b and c in bracket, and on the LHS side a and b is in bracket, and c is outside, and here a is outside, b and c is in bracket. So it is showing the different grouping of integers, but the product is same only. This property is only known as associative property. Okay, so that 3 into 2 into, that is 6 into 7 is 42, and here 2 into 7, 14 into 3 is 42 only. By example also we can see this example, that 5 into 2 into 3 is equals to 5 into 2 into 3. can see this first according to the BODMAS, first the bracket work. So 5 into 2 is 10 and 10 into 3 LHS part I am doing. This side part is the LHS, and LHS is coming 10 into 3 is 30, and this side 2 or RHS side 2 into 3 is 6, and 5 into 6 is equals to 30 only. The product is coming same 30. Okay, and then we can see the next property, distributive law of multiplication of integers, distributive law of multiplication over addition. So you can see for any integers a, b and c, we have a into b plus c equals to a into b plus a into c. This means this a will multiply to this b also, and it will multiply to this c also. That's why this a is distributed between b and c. Okay, and this property is known as distributive property over addition. And if here is minus, then here also it will be minus only, because plus a will multiply to minus c, then that will only come. You can see this example such as a into b minus c, that will be a into b minus a into c. Here it is plus a, and plus a multiplying to this minus c, so here plus into minus will be minus only. And this is the property of distributive property of multiplication over subtraction, because here minus is there, and this a will multiply to b also and this c also. It is distributed between this b and c. So this property is distributive property. And next you see the existence of multiplicative inverse, multiplicative identity. One is known as the multiplicative identity of any integer. So we can say that one is the multiplicative identity. One is the multiplicative identity for any integer, because by multiplying with 1, the product is the number itself only. Such as 3 into 1 is equals to 1 into 3 equals to 3. Same negative numbers if we are taking, then minus 5 into 1 it is also minus 5. 6 into 1 is 6 only. So by multiplying with 1, the result is the number itself, no change in the product is the number itself only, 6. Then we have to see the existence of multiplicative inverse. First of all, multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal. Multiplicative inverse means the reciprocal. So this we can understand like this, that reciprocal of two by 3 is equals to 3 by 2. Means the numerator and denominator will change the place, will interchange the place. Denominator will go at the numerator place and numerator will go at the denominator place. Same way, if we will take the reciprocal of 5 by 9, that is equal to 9 by 5, and their product is always 1 only. You can see that if you are multiplying, here only product sign, you can see if we are multiplying that 5 by 9 into 9 by 5, the product is 1. This 9 and 9 will cut in one time, this 5 into one time, 5 into one time, so the product is 1 only. What is the, now you see what is the reciprocal of y? The reciprocal of y equals to 1 by y. Okay, because this y means it is y by 1. 1 is below of all the integers. 1 is below of all the integers. Below every integer 1 is there. So y by 1, reciprocal of y by 1 is 1 by y, and their product is also 1 only, such as y by 1 into 1 by y, then this y into 1 time and y into 1 time will cut, so the product will come 1 only, and this reciprocal is only known as multiplicative inverse of integers. This is all about this. Any number we can take, such as 5 by 3, its reciprocal is 3 by 5, then their product is 1 here. Okay, yes, then we will see the property of 0, and property of 0, for every integer a we have this result that when you are multiplying the number with 0, then the product is 0 only, such as 3 into 0 is equals to 0 only, 4 into 0 is 0 only, 9 into 0 is result is 0. Any number we will take, we will multiply with 0, then the product is 0. This is the property of 0. Now some questions based on multiplication of integers, such as multiply 17 by 5. Then at the place of this by, you will write this multiply 17 into 5 is 85. And if the number is negative, so that multiply minus 17 with 5, then here minus 17 into 5 is minus 85, and 6 by minus 11, then 6 into minus 11. Sign multiplication is plus and minus, plus into minus is here minus, and then 6 into 11 is 66, so the product is minus 66. Here now 3 numbers are multiplying, 2 numbers are negative, minus 5 and minus 3, minus 5 into minus 3. Okay, so this we will multiply, any 2 we have to multiply first, any 2 we will multiply first, such as 2 into minus 5. In grouping, I have done grouping here, in the bracket we will do that. First we will multiply these two. 2 into minus 5 is minus 10 into minus 3, so product is 30. Here plus 2 into minus 5, that is minus 10, and then minus 10 into minus 3, both numbers are negative, then minus into minus equals to plus, and 10 into 3 is 30. Now you will solve the exercise also, that R.S. Agrawal exercise 1b, question number 1 and 2. Okay, and learn the properties of multiplication of integers. You will solve that exercise also. You see that NCERT R.S. Agrawal exercise 1b question number 1 and 2, and NCERT exercise 1.3 question number 1 E to J. This you will do. This number also, see that minus 7 into minus 3, so I have done grouping these two. That minus 7 into minus 3 is 21, and 21 into 4 is 84. So now you will do homework based on this. Thank you.